Okay, alright, let's see what can I do. Alright, let's see what's in the fridge. Water. Nah, nothing good. I think I've done everything as long as some brats and others doesn't yell at me. So I know how to do stuff. Yes! Whew! Man, I could finally relax. Man, I guess I could just watch some YouTube. Aw, man, it's cloudy outside. Hopefully it doesn't rain or no lightning or thunder. Okay. Oh, I just hear lightning. Okay. We're just good. Neighbors are doing some drills. Our neighbors. Stupid neighbors. And there's a siren. Oh, man. Stupid. Is this day's gonna be... Let's see what... I guess I can just watch what, like what are we on? Okay, so here we are. This is what YouTube that we're on. Hold on. Right, so apparently, let's see. So, shall we watch some Temple Run or my birthday videos? Look at that cool profile pic. That's pretty cool. So, let's see what shall we watch. It's been a while. Zombies Coke. Nah. I just noticed. Hold on. Lego videos. Okay, what's this one? Hey, alright. So yeah, these are the... No, alright. We already know that. And it's red. It sounds like green. Cause, Luigi's green. Whatever. 36 subscribers. We're not close to 40 yet. Hopefully we can. What should I watch? Should I watch the Bowser Jr. Smart Boy? I don't know what to watch. Oh man, this is the pet. I guess. Hold on. Yeah, it's right. Okay, I don't want that. Look at that channel art. But I think it's better when you're on the TV. If you are on the TV, then it's gonna be a little bit better because you get to see the whole thing. So. Yeah, Luigi in the middle, because I guess that's the part, because I guess that's the name, as I get it, because the name is SuperLuigiOode. So, yeah. Bunch of videos. The movie night? That's for like 2 weeks ago. Alright. So I think there's gonna be still some more. As long as if we make it to 40, oh my goodness. As long as we can make it to 40 subscribers. We have to make it to 40 subscribers on this channel, because we're on this channel. Yeah. So well, whatever, guess it does make kind of sense, so I gotta, well, too late. Oh no, not lightning. Oh, stupid neighbor, why the drills? Alright, let's see. Let's move this a little bit. can see. What kind of sound is this coming from? Is it the neighbors or our renters? I don't know, but I'm gonna close it up. Well, there's another lightning. Oh man, it's time for me to go out so I can have fun. Hopefully there's no raining or thunder. Let's try to bounce. Oops. No, my ball! My ball! My ball. Let me go get it. It's so dark in here. Where is it? Oh, I found it. Okay, alright. I found the ball. Whew. It's time for me to throw it. There we go. Oh, dude, it's... Alright. Oh, hey, Chef Jelly. Man, Look. Man, this is so kind of weird. What can I watch? Like, really, what can I watch? Today is cloudy outside. Oops, that's loud. Alright, that is loud. Really loud. Oh. Zombies are... is this 2000? Oh my god, that's loud. That is loud. Alright. I guess we could just watch this because we can't go out. But why? I want to go out. Because I just want to play for outside. Like really, I really want to play outside, please. No. You cannot go outside because it is raining outside. Well, not really. I don't know if it's raining. But it is. Alright. Like really. Yes. Really. Like really. But there's no lightning. So there's no lightning? Oh, I didn't hear it. Oh man, I can't go out. Also, I might get wet. So I don't want to get wet. Oh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. So don't go out. You can just relax or do your homework. But I have school. Whatever. I think it's closed. Oh. Oh. Well, too late. You're late. Aw, man. Well, well, I really want to see you again, F. No. But please, I want to go out. Like, really, you don't want me to go out? I think I'll prove you that I can't go out. Like, really. Oh, no. But what if you're gonna get struck by lightning? Nah. How about... Well, I don't know if it's gonna struck me like lightning in the house. I think it's not. Whatever you say. Well, whatever. Ow. Ah! Ah! Ouch! Ow! Ow! Okay, give me it. Ow! Chef Julie, why are you watching when I'm watching why are you watching when I play Subway Surfers? I don't know. Well, I gotta pee. Okay, it's time to pee. Okay, time to flush the toilet. Okay, well, now you're washing your hands, right? Yeah. Well, alright. Well, what are you doing now? Hopefully it doesn't... I think this is pretty bad. Well, let's see what... let's see what's on the news. Hey everyone, my name is Mushroom. Today, I thought Lucky 2 was gonna be here, but no, I'm news. So today, we're gonna give you guys a couple things. One, there's gonna be thunderstorm. Cause it's cloudy outside. And yeah, this is FXN news, so yes, there's gonna be some lightning, a little bit of rain, but if it's gonna be really rain, then that's gonna suck for you. So, yep, it's me, Mission, signing off. No, it can't be, no. Oh man, I can't go outside. I really want to go outside, but I can't. Well, he said that it's gonna be... Wait. Hold on. What does that says? Extreme thunderstorm! Oh no. This can't be. What time is it? Okay, I don't know. So, hey, so it's Chef Joey. So was I right on the news? No. Are you shy? There's gonna be an extreme thunderstorm. No, it can't be. No. Look at these toys. Ow, I want to play with them. I can't. Ow. Oh, dude, I just fell. What do we do? I don't know. Because there's gonna be an extreme thunderstorm. No, there's a thunderstorm. Wait, Mama Yoshi? Hey there. Whatever. It can't be. It's an extreme thunderstorm. It will try to kill us. Look, I think I found a plan. Never mind, I think I'll use a piece of paper. Okay, so I made this. So if we go outside, then we get struck by lightning. This is not funny, alright? If we go outside, then we get struck by lightning. Yeah, exactly. We might get struck by lightning. Like that we just heard. So going outside is not safe, even though you can go outside. But if we stay home, then we'll be safe. That we won't get struck by lightning. As long as the lightning doesn't struck us. But I don't know, it will never happen. So if we go outside, then we'll get struck by lightning. Like that. So this will never work. If we go home, then we'll be safe. Alright? So it's just gonna be two ways. Going outside, you're gonna get struck by lightning, or stay home. Huh? I think going outside is safe because you need some fresh air. Well, if you say so, then go outside. You Larry, you. So if we go outside, then we're gonna get struck by lightning, huh? Do you want that? Do you want to die? No. Then we're not doing that because there's gonna be lightning outside. So I don't recommend we go outside because if we go outside, then we get struck by lightning. Like Okay. Alright. So we just sit here on this couch. Alright? Not forget it. Okay? So I don't recommend we go outside because we're gonna get struck by lightning because that's where the lightning is. It's also near us. Okay, so we don't go outside, right? Yeah. So we just stay here. Yep. I guess that makes sense. So enough with this fooling around, we get serious, right? But it says that it could be extreme. Yeah, so it's gonna be outside. Hopefully it doesn't struck us in here. Like, really. Man, well, that's all for the plans. Okay. Why is there a charger? I don't know. I guess I'll sit in the couch. Uh-oh. Now it's here. No. Ow. Let me use my wand. Let me see. Stupid wand. Let me try. Ow. Get off here quick. Wait, we don't have to go outside. Whatever. Ouch. I can defeat you. It's me. Mario. That's not gonna work. Mario, I thought you were smart. Sorry. What do we do now? Get out of here! Ow. I don't want to die! Shoot. We gotta get out of here! Larry, it's only us and Chip Joey. Only Shadow can be here. But he's... man, he's on his vacation. Oh, man. Get out! Ouch. Uh-oh. Get out of here quick! No, we gotta get out of here. Open the door. Well, but it's only us. If we're gonna die, then I love you. Love you too. Oh no! Get out of here! Yeah! I'm back! Let me just close this from verification. Let me just close this. Hey everyone! Wait, what happened to you guys? 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 Are you guys fake? Are you? Don't tell me that you're doing a prank. That you're fake dying. Guys, what's wrong with you? Guys, wake up! They're not waking up. Are you serious? I can be alone. Yes. Oh yes. Forget you guys. I'm not gonna love you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm alone. Yes, but my life and Sonic is dead. Even though he didn't want to go to work. Oh my God, it's the best day of my life. Yes, he's dead! Yes! Oh my God! Oh yes! Oh man! Your guys are dead! You guys are dead! Ha 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 ha! Oh my God! This is my best day of my life! Oh my God! Well, I guess I can just relax from the vacation.